I'm Andrew, digital construction consultant for Hilti for London, the South East and East Anglia. And I'm going to show you some really fast, simple and effective height transfer with our PLT 400. Come and have a look. We use the camera for really easy and fast prism locking for stationing. Locked on. We've set our base point height here. We want to know the height difference over on this ramp here. And I know we need to break this ramp out by 130 mil to get down to our base point. Simple as that. Fast, easy, done. We can level the slab, level some aggregate very quickly. We're now going to show you height transfer using our direct reflex laser function. Got the laser coming from the head unit, hitting the wall here. We've got our mark on the wall, our RL of 1200 mil, and we're going to transfer using the camera function on the tablet to this slab over here. So we go to our height transfer, and I'm going to record this one. So that's my baseline. Now we use our camera function, and we just point it anywhere on this wall. As we can see, we've got our red dot shown on the wall, and that's not the correct height. I'm going to green tick, it disappear, and then immediately jumps to our 1200 mil, the same as the level we had before. And we can mark our height. Quick, easy, very functional, done.